Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. Cause I'm all about him, and he's all about me. And we don't give a dang about nobody. Well, had him shooting for me like a ball team. Every guy was a knockout, John King, but none of them had smarts. That's my thing. It's not enough to have balls, Spalding. One day by Starbucks, I bumped into a guy rocking black chucks. He said,
"Good morning, class."
Good morning, sir.
Today is all about preparation of useful mixture. Would you please read the first stanza?
Oh, what's that, sir?
Preparation of useful mixture. Would you please read the first stanza, Ms. Garcia?
I forgot my book, sir. That's all.
Okay, sit down. Okay, Sheena.
Preparation of useful mixtures. The Philippines is blessed with a wide variety of flora from which useful materials can be obtained. We have about 1,500 medicinal plants from 13,500 plants in our country.
Okay, next. Asika.
Thank you, sir.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Okay, Ms. Bailon.
Filipino scientists have discovered the medicinal values of many Philippine plants. Among these are ampalaya, acapulco, garlic, ginger, hibiscus or gomamela, malunggay, makahiya or mimosa, siling labuyo, native guava, kamachile, laluti.
How about you, Polistico?
I don't want.
Why? Would you please stand up?
I don't want.
Stand up!
I don't want.
Okay, Mr. Moto, please read.
The active ingredients of these plants can be extracted from fruits, leaves, barks, and roots. When purified, they can be used in any medical preparations.
The four of you, where are you going?
Don't care.
Would you would you...
You must manage your own business, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, class, dismiss.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you for teaching us today.
Wait, guys. It's already December. What are plans for Mr. Caracas?
We should have a party. But how? Maybe we should have a props to make the room beautiful, or we can decorate this room.
Yes, it's a good idea. Let's go.
Pila. Go. Uy, pasok na.
Ang dami naman na.
Ay,
Wait lang ba na wait? Uy, mag-wake up na kami.
ibuli nyo.
Wait, that's so hard.
That's mine.
Don't care. You want swear? What's wrong with you? Give me my ball! Give me a ball! You're being Hurry faster!
There's something wrong.
We're being bullied.
Who are they?
Our freak classmates. Let's go!
By the way, boys, thank you for before anything else, I'm Tina. Tina.
And I'm Rona.
Hello.
Rona. And I'm
Oh, sorry.
Sparrow. Sparrow.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Carlo.
And Dara. Sydney.
Sydney. Nice, bro.
Why are you here?
We're just looking for a girl. Thank you.
Oh, girls, it's too late. You need to come home. Let's go. Wait. What do you think, girls? After what?
Oh, that. Oh, thank you.
No thanks.
Bye. Bye, girl.
Thank you. See you.
Bye.
Sorry. Too late.
could just pretend to be with